In this video, I'm going to go over this FORTO FT9 Marine Rechargeable Waterproof Flashlight. 3000 lumens. It's IPX8, which is 100% waterproof, marine grade. Looking over here, multi-use spotlight, camping lantern, built-in 5000 milliamp battery. Got a 5-volt charging, 10 modes of operation here. Then you open it up, you get a box within a box. Let me show you. Pretty handy case right here. It has their logo on it, so it's their box. You get a little set of instructions right here that kind of goes over how to charge it. A USB-C cable. Now I've already had this thing out. That's why I put the I like this lanyard too. It's that paracord lanyard. This right here actually shows, like if you drop it, it actually gives you a light and shows you where it is. If you want to charge this thing, you unscrew it there, you charge it right there. Actually, we can peel that off. See that? You got this push button right here. See that? I don't know how well you can see that in the camera, but there's actual logo. There's a light right here that shows you whether you're on high, low, or medium, or anything like that. And then you've got a hook right here for hanging it up, and then there's a lantern right here, and that lantern works great well. Actually, I'll go through some of the settings. I'll go through all the settings and show you in the backyard on how far this thing shines. Then I'll throw it and then how the lantern looks and different modes that it has. And it has a reflector mode on the front kind of cover right there, a little rubberized cover that works well. I'm going to be using this. I think this is a great light for using on a boat at night or anytime you're around water, because I threw this thing in my water jug and it just floated. It will not sink, so that's a handy feature to have. Yeah, everybody, I recommend this FORTO flashlight. I've had products from these guys before and I've been very impressed with it, and this is going to be a light I'm definitely going to be using while I'm out on the rivers and lakes and all that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the FORTO, marine grade flashlight. See you on the next video.